Hello and welcome to a very challenging topic, core branches of linguistics. Let's first discuss about the word core. What does it mean? It refers to central part of something. In other words, we can say the part of something that is central to its existence or character. Now, let us put the two words together, core and branches, which become core branches. That means central branches with which tree of linguistics grows, upon which pillar of linguistics stands. That is to say, without core branches, linguistics as a discipline cannot exist. We must understand that linguistics is a branch of a study. It is a science of a discipline that deals with the structure of language. And when we talk about the structure of language, it fully depends upon core branches of linguistics. In fact, without core branches of linguistics, linguistics as a discipline does not exist. And what are the core branches of linguistics? The first one is phonetics, the second one is phonology, the third one is morphology, the fourth one is syntax, the fifth one is semantics, and the sixth one is pragmatics. They are the most important branches of linguistics. Core branches of linguistics, fundamentals of linguistics, without which linguistics as a discipline, linguistics as a subject cannot talk about structure of language. In fact, they are the nervous systems of language, central parts of language. Hope you understand core branches of linguistics. Thank you and goodbye.